Hey guys, this is Sam with Python Basics, and just want to give you guys a heads up. So, have some pretty cool stuff in the works. Don't want to say anything, ironing some stuff out, but if it does happen, some things will be changing, and I think they'll be for the better, and you guys will not lose access, and actually the commitments might give you guys more access to me. So that's all I can say for now. Have some things coming up, very busy family wise, so at least going to be taking the next 2 weeks off, but I wanted to give you guys the heads up. Make sure you're looking at the Django stuff. Got the feedback that you guys really wanted that. It's a lot of work. Make sure you are looking at that. So don't get behind, don't get overwhelmed, so take this time to get caught up in anything that you're not sure. It's summertime, a little bit of a slower time, and 2 weeks, I didn't really want to take 2 weeks off, but like I said, have something pretty cool in the works. Got to iron out some details, and then I will have the update for you. And like I said, it won't be losing access. You'll probably get more access and more out of me. So that's all I feel comfortable, but I know in 2 weeks it'll be either a yay or a nay, and I'll be able to talk about it. So that's that for today. Sorry, no, I hate that I'm chopping up this Django stuff, but just go look at it. I mean, you have all those files that are a lot to pay attention to and a lot to keep up with. You have the front end and the back end, and just everything can be very overwhelming. So make sure you are just keeping up to date. So, all right, guys, please drop any comments, questions, any video requests, and hopefully in 14 days, I think I looked at it from here, we should have some details ironed out. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.